Hi everybody, welcome back to another CYT-Crypto episode. My name is Stephen Aitchison and today we're going to be doing a quick TA video for Greenheart CBD. Now I spoke about Greenheart yesterday in my video, kind of gave you the analysis of it and what I thought of it and why I think it's going to really kind of go big in 2021 and 2022. And it was 5 cents then, it's now since jumped up. It did get all the way up to about 10 cents before coming back down and settling around 7.5 cents at the minute. This is a daily chart we're on. So I want to give you some TA or where I think this is going. It's now been out for a couple of months, so we can do the TA, good volume on it as well. Okay, so traffic charts, if you've never seen this before, basically we've got red, amber, green. Red is a support line, strong support line. The ambers are the kind of resistance lines, you can have one or two of them, and the green line is kind of local all-time high. So that's all-time high or kind of local highs, it can be as well. So we've got a support line here of about 1.2 cents, and you can see it's been accumulating. It's been really an accumulation zone since it really came out back in May. So the end of May, then in kind of June, people were just accumulating. Then suddenly on the 13th of August, it crossed over, the 7 EMA crossed over the 21 EMA and jumped up from 1.5 cents all the way up to 5 cents. Came back down a wee bit. I kind of seen it at 5 cents and been speaking to a couple of people about it. I thought, right, I need to jump in on this and do the analysis for it. Eventually got in and kind of gave all my details yesterday in the video yesterday into the group as well, and it's jumped up 50% since then. It was about 100%, but it's come back down a wee bit, which is to be expected. So where do I think this could go from now? Because the original resistance line was about 6 cents. We now take that one out, and we've got a new resistance line here of 17 cents. That's about 112% move from here, and we're looking for another target, the second target of 29 cents, and I'm going to use the target as the all-time high, as a wick on the all-time high for the second day. The original all-time high was about 89 cents, but that was on first day trading, and I'm not going to include that here. I'm going to use the second day. So we've got an all-time high of 29 cents for the wick, and that's the two targets I'm looking for just now, which is 112% move. Second target is about 250% move, and that's what I'm looking for short term before the end of the year. I think you'll hit it quicker than that, to be honest. I think it's going to shoot through that quite easily, but I'm going to be conservative and say we're looking for the second target before the end of the year, 29 cents. Now you can see here I mentioned here the 7 EMA and the 21 EMA. I like using the EMA because the recent prices are weighted more than the older prices, as opposed to the simple MA or simple moving average, but it's just an average of all the prices put together. So 7 EMA has crossed over the 21 EMA. It's likely to stay there, but what we can see is it bouncing off the 7 EMA line. So it comes down, bounces, comes down, bounces, comes down, bounces. So that's a good indication as well. If you're looking for an entry, you might want to wait until it gets down to the 7 EMA line and then bounces again. So that'll be a good time to get in there. And we can almost kind of put a trend line here, round about there. We put a trend line in, round about there, and it's we're looking to kind of bounce off that. Obviously it might come down if the markets start to fall suddenly or something like that, but if all being equal, everything going the same just now, should bounce off that trend line and keep on bouncing up from here as well. Okay, we might get some kind of correction later on because it has gone up so high over the last few weeks, or over the last week or so. So we might get a small correction here, but don't expect one because we've been in an accumulation zone for such a long time now, and the volume has been really good over the past week or so as well. And I think all of the original pre-salers that were into it and people on the kind of original launch pads have probably got out of the tokens just now. So that's a good thing as well, and the price has kind of stabilized, and I'm just expecting it to go up from here as well. So as I said, 17 cents and 29 cents for the next levels, and then we can do some more TA once it reaches that. But looking good just now for Greenheart CBD, the company itself, looking brilliant as a hybrid model for old kind of type business and blockchain business. And everybody's a winner with this. The investors are winners, the companies are winners, the people using the product are winners, and the farmers who Greenheart CBD are helping are winners as well. So this is a kind of win-4 situation. I said yesterday it was a win-3, but it's a win-4. Everybody wins out of this, which is the beautiful thing about this business. Plus, it's making money. And you can't say that about a lot of crypto businesses as well. Okay, that's it. A quick one, quick TA for Greenheart CBD. Until next video, namaste. Take care. Bye now.